Hey guys, today I've got a Whirlpool matching washer and dryer. It's an electric dryer. And real quick, we're just going to run through and show you that everything works perfectly on these. And that's my bug zapper. Very loud and scary. But this washer here works great right now. We've got it filling up. Full load of heavy jeans, towels. You can see it's filling up, and we're doing just a regular load here on Super Plus setting, so it's Super Capacity Plus. It's got a very large capacity. We're gonna let it fill up. You can see that it'll agitate, drain, and then I'll let you see the spin cycle as well, that it's nice smooth operation and sounds great. Then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and show you that that works perfectly. The washers get a 28-point inspection, the dryers get a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical and mechanical gets checked. So that way, you know, when it leaves my care, it works perfectly. You get it home, plug it in after you spent your money, and it's going to work great. So we'll let this go ahead and move through its cycle, and we'll come back to it. Alright, and now we're on to the agitation portion. You can hear it agitating real good. Now this one has a lid switch. I mean, they all have lid switches, but this one, when you lift it up, even during agitation, it's going to go ahead and stop it. But you can see that it's agitating really well. The suds are kind of an indicator that it's getting those clothes agitated real good, which is what actually gets them clean. And people who are used to the front-loading washers, they're not used to hearing that agitation sound. And I've got the question before, what's that noise? Well, that's normal. It's supposed to sound like that. What it is this will spin one way freely and not the other way. Well, like that, not the other way. So freely and then back. And that's how it's supposed to sound. So anyway, we'll let it continue on, and we'll come back to it for the rinse and spin. Alright, we've come back now for the final spin cycle. Went ahead and drained all the water out. Now it's spinning at full blast. And I'm going to lift this lid up here and show you that it is in fact spinning very fast. And it's going to stop because of the safety switch on the lid switch there. But I do it just so you can see that it is indeed spinning nice and fast. So, step. And it comes to a stop. So we will let that go ahead and finish up, getting the water out of those clothes, and then we'll show you the dryer. Okay guys, now we finished this up, got it all cleaned out, and I wanted to show you real quick what I was talking about. A little easier to do without the clothes in there. It'll turn freely one way and then not the other way. So the whole thing changes. So what happens is when your clothes are in here and it's full, it'll shift, allow it to shift this way, and then the motor kicks it back this way and sucks those clothes down. So that's how the agitator works. I just wanted to clear that up and show that without all the clothes in there so you could see it. Otherwise, that's nice, all cleaned out. We've got the clothes over here ready to go, piled in there on this matching dryer here that's electric. Go ahead and close that up. Just stick it over here on time dry and high heat. Hit go. As you can see in here, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. I'm going to grab my heat gun and I will show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Okay, I'll show you how this works. Essentially, in between your two red dots there's where it's going to take a temperature measurement. So it's about 68 out here. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Right inside that heating element tube, we're going to grab a measurement. You can see plenty of heat. It's about 230 degrees coming out of there. That in turn heats the inside of your dryer up anywhere between 95 and 195. Just depends on what you have this setting at right here. Because you can go all the way to low, which is around the 95 for delicates. Or once it runs for a little bit, up here on high, we'll get you up to about 195. Drying stuff like jeans and towels and that. So you've also got an auto dry, so you can just stick it over here, walk away from it and not worry about it. I kind of just do the time dry, just stick it on there and let it go the full amount of time, but whatever you want to do. Anyway, now you know it works. It heats like it's supposed to. You've seen the washer work. So purpose of these videos is you know that when you pay for it, take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work the way it's supposed to. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell my items. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out from the ad. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.